it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for being here today. I want to do a quick 5-minute Friday video just sharing with you ways that I use these dot stickers, and of course you can use them just for basic planning purposes. I use these ones, or these similar type of stickers, to mark down when I upload a video, and I keep that in my monthly tracker. So of course you can use it for simply planning purposes, but I thought I would I don't know, share some other ideas on how we can use these. I'm sure there's got to be videos out there that have this, something that's very similar. So right now in my personal planner, I'm using the Stationery A6 in the half year. So right now I just cut them in half and just wrote down the weekday, and I just use that to highlight. It's just a simple, you can even see here, because I just simply cut them down, cut a line right in the middle. I split the sticker into halves, and I used that to highlight the day of the week. And so you can of course make shapes and things and triangles out of them. So you can also use these dot stickers to, I guess, simply decorate a page. They don't really have to have, I mean, you can use them for, like I said, planning and you know, marking down things in your calendar, but they're just as cute to have these like little decorative things on your page, if that's what you want. I know not everybody is into stickers and things, but for me it's so cute to add. I'll probably do this in my Hobonichi as well, just add some stickers here and there. But that is very quick and effective. But if you don't have these types of dot stickers, I thought we can quickly, or I can quickly share with you how we can make some of our own. I'm pretty sure you can find these in your local office supply shop. You can simply color it in using a marker. I'm just going to grab something here and use the hole punch to make little circle stickers. And I think these ones here are matte, so but just be careful if the label, if you need some time for it to dry. And you can just simply take your hole punch and make your own that way. So let's see here. So there's one there, and it's very easy, and you just take your markers and color in your label and do it that way. And let's also show you, let's try doing like lines so that it's kind of like different designs, and see how that looks. I'm going to try and do like a close-up if I can. You can also do like, let your kids, if you have kids, they want to help you, you can ask them to kind of draw some squiggly lines and see what kind of designs they come up with. You can see that, that's really cute. And if you don't have this, like a simple label sheet, you can take, actually I'm going to take this because right now it says open. I was going to use some baking paper here, but I have my washi. Let's take this, maybe that's hard to see. Let's take this one right here. It will be easier to see on camera, hopefully. I'm just going to take a piece of washi tape, apply it here because this is non-stick. If you don't have this kind of a piece of paper, you can of course use the baking paper, and then I'm just going to do the exact same thing and put it inside my hole punch and make some circle stickers that way. And let's see. And if you have punches, like circle punches of different diameters, I think that would be fun too. I think some people have like the bigger, like 1/2 inch, or the only thing is with this, it's going to be hard to take the backing, so it might take a bit for it to come off, because it's so tiny, but it's so simple and easy to do. So if you don't have, let's stick this over here. And some of these ones that we just made, this one came off nice and easily. So yeah, try adding, maybe using different color markers and adding some squiggly lines, or like I said, you can ask your kids to help you out with this project. I'm sure they will have so much fun using the hole punch to stamp these out. It might be a little bit of a mess, but they're going to have so much fun with it. But yeah, I just wanted to share a quick 5-minute Friday video. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I think it's fun to go back to basics and get creative with what you have. I know my last video was about supporting small businesses, and I know that not everybody has the capacity to do that. So I thought this would be a fun way to kind of give back to the community, share with you an idea that's easy to do at home with some labels and washi tape and a hole punch, and maybe a couple of markers that you like, and hopefully you can use to decorate. You can use them to create headings as well, like I did up over here. And if you have different, you know, shape punches, you can use that too. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this 5-minute Friday video. Thank you so much for sticking by, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.